equivalence of an 18-month DLED diploma with a 24-month diploma. Eventually, my lords, the question there was for qualifying under the RTE along with the NCE.
Why is it coming today?
It's coming today because we have filed an application, this IA 292984.
What is the prayer?
The prayer in this is based on, if I can have a minute, 10 days ago, this court took up the review petitions in that November judgment. They heard it in open court. They said, while we are not entertaining the reviews, we are clarifying, and just please see the clarification order. That's why we are here. That's at page 14. That's on 10th December 2024, page 14.
Page 14 of the application.
Oh, page 14 of the application. I'm so sorry. That's IA 292984.
One second. 292984.
Yes, page 14. So there were a whole host of miscellaneous applications and the review petition itself.
Exactly.
I'll just...
Let's proceed with the clarification.
Paras 2 and 3, if I can read. We have already clarified in the judgment under review that the one-time scheme was provided solely to safeguard the interests of those teachers who were employed as on 10/8/2017. We are therefore not inclined to entertain the present review petitions as well as miscellaneous applications. However, to avoid any confusion, we again clarify that the 18 months diploma obtained by such persons who were in employment as on 10/8/17 and who have completed the diploma course of 18 months would be treated as valid diploma holders for the purpose of applying in other institutions or for promotional avenues. Needless to state that the clarification will be effective from the date of pronouncement of the judgment under review. If I can just clarify, we are those who have that 18-month diplomas.
Yes, sir. Now, what is the prayer you are making in the Christian application? I just finish reading that.
Yes.
What is your prayer?
Can I just give the background in half a minute? Just half a minute. That's all I want. After the 28th November principal judgment, when Bihar issued advertisements for employment, they said, we 18-month diploma holders, you will not get it because the Supreme Court has held so. The process started. We filed writ petitions that came with and transfer petitions which are here now in the Supreme Court. The proceedings in the Patna High Court have been stayed by your lordships. So as they stand stayed, the only relief I can seek is here. Before this process is completed, now that this clarification has come, we were all in service. We fully fulfilled this para 3 and 4 which I've read to your lordships.
We have understood
Yes.
this purpose.
Yes.
What is the prayer now
Prayer is paid, sir.
expecting from this court through this application?
That we should be permitted to take part in the process which is on, because the court has clarified that it is with effect from the date of judgment, which is November 23.
Now you are taking benefit of the clarification
Yes.
given in the review order.
Yes,
Isn't it? Okay.
Yes, that is correct. That is correct. That's why we are here.
Anybody appearing for the other side?
For the NCT, we do not have any objection to that, my lords. They can be allowed
That's
because
very fair.
this is SSCT because the primary teachers are not available, which is why this course was also, in fact, we were supporting them in this.
Appear for the state.
I am appearing for NIS. State is what we are asking for. The state.
State of Uttar Pradesh.
When is the transmission filed?
And the foreign
13th May notice was issued
What
to
is the
Bihar.
stage of ongoing process, Mr. Gawar?
Counseling is starting on the 23rd of December. That is in 3 days' time, counseling will be starting. So if counseling starts and finishes, then we are out.
Safety in abeyance is a
That's right.
No, very well.
Second, please look at it.
Yes,
Assuming
yes,
you also fit into the clarificatory direction given by this court.
yes,
At best, it could be said, I make out a prima facie case, ask them to consider me also.
yes.
That could be one way of looking
I'm
at
fine
it.
with that also. I'm fine with that also.
System is not.
I'm fine. I agree with what your lordships are saying. The only issue is that when they do the counseling process, there will
1 second, Mr.
yes. Where does it say 40,000? Page? been revised, no? It's been revised. Clear schedule. Sorry, I just want to say one thing. There are, at page 21, there are 38,900 people who are being counselled. Your Lordships are right, we can't interfere with that. They need to be put on notice that in case we qualify, some of them may not be accommodated.
Please hear the order.
Very well, I'm sorry.
Mr. Gopal Chattana, Joint Senior Counsel for the petition. The council submits that the applicants in the IA 292984 are those who have obtained the diploma. What is the diploma?
It's a DLED 18 months diploma.
The 18-month duration DLED diploma.
Yes.
Diploma in education.
DELED. Elementary education. So capital E small l, capital E small d.
Diploma in elementary education.
Education from NIOS. NIOS.
From NIOS. Stop.
My lords can mention through ODL mode.
To the
ODL
open distance.
mode.
Yes, to the ODL mode. Stop.
Open distance learning.
Open distance learning mode. Okay. Stop. The Bihar Public Service Commission has initiated the process. Where is the advertisement?
We don't have the advertisement on.
When was it?
7th February 2024.
And initiated
We have
and issued an advertisement on 7/2/2024.
Yes.
For recruitment of
Primary school teachers.
primary school teachers.
Classes 1 to 8.
Classes 1 to 8. Roman में दीजिएगा 1 and 8. The applicants seek participation in the counseling process, which is to commence from 23/12/2024. The submission is around the projection is that around 36,000 candidates are in the fray. And how many petitioners are here, applicants?
About 215 totally are here in the transfer petition. It's 39,000 odd, Manoj.
That is total 39,000 odd.
38,900 is.
This pair is made on behalf of how many?
215 odd.
And,
About 215.
And the present application is made on behalf of
Transfer petition.
around 215 applicants. Stop. Para. Ms. Manisha T. Karia, the Learned Senior Counsel, appears for the NCTE, and Mr. Arun Kumar, the Learned Counsel, appears for NIOS. What is NIOS?
National Institute of Open School in it is diploma degree
Achha.
conducted by them.
You are providing the diplomas.
NCT recognizes them for the purpose of.
Are supporting the application. Applicants. Stop. Ms. Karia submits that the open learning diploma granted by the NIOS is recognized by the NCTE. Stop. Having considered the above and the verificatory order passed by this court on 10/12/2024, which in this review petition number so page 15 में para 3 and para 4 quote कर दीजिए as noted above, comma, as expected below, comma, that we deem it appropriate to permit the applicants to allow participation of the applicants in the present IA to also participate in the counseling process being conducted by the Public Service Commission.
Bihar Public Service.
Bihar Public Service Commission. Stop.
a large number of diploma holders are so they are not applicants here, but they are equally qualified.
But we can't be passing order in their favor. Maybe you are right. Maybe you are right.
Once the order comes, I'm sure there'll be other applicants.
Praise for that.
Once this order comes, number of applications will be 5 years. Will not consider.
We will only be.
Right. Yesterday we passed an order that in rem order we have stayed of another high court. In another context, of course. The outcome of the counseling process, so far as the petitioners are concerned, we not notified. We kept confidential. We kept confidential, and this is made subject to further orders to be passed in this application.
Grateful.
I first you say notice in the IA, returnable in 4 weeks.
Appearing through VC.
Lordship, I am for the caveat in this matter, and this is one of the best matters which were already decided by this honorable court on